What is the best diet for weight loss? Is it keto, Whole30, Atkins, paleo, Mediterranean, Jenny Craig? What's the other one? Carnivore. What's the best diet? What's going to get you the best results? Look, my biggest thing is if you're getting results and you're happy with the results and you know you can keep the results for the rest of your life, I honestly don't care what you do. But it's when people come to me and ask for help and they're not getting results and they're doing one of those diets, they're doing keto, their hair's falling out, they don't have energy, they're having a tough time building lean muscle mass. I'm gonna give you everything. I'm gonna let you know exactly what I do, what I've got others doing who have been struggling with weight loss their entire life. PCOS, Hashimoto's, hypothyroid, insulin resistant. I got clients who have those and are getting results. But at the end of the day, no one can tell you what you're doing is wrong. I'll tell you I would do it differently, but at the end of the day, it doesn't really matter on that point. So it always just kills me when everybody says, oh, this is the best diet. I'm doing this, I'm doing that. My biggest thing is, with all my clients, stop doing diets. Stop doing all these programs. My program, it's not even a program. I give you my entire plan for free when you guys go to fullertonnutrition.com. At the end of the day, it just comes down to actually taking in the right amount of calories. But if somebody comes to me and they're like, hey, I'm thinking about doing weight loss surgery, should I? I'm gonna be like, no, absolutely not. There's no reason for you to cut into your body, make your stomach smaller, and make it impossible to give your body calories. Am I telling you what to do? You asked me my opinion. I would never do it. Would I do carnivore? No, I love broccoli. I love asparagus. I love Brussels sprouts. I love veggies. I'll eat nuts and cheese and stuff like that. But the thing is what can you do and actually do it forever? And that's the thing. And that's why I try and make the plan and everything so simple for everybody. Just eat real food. Hit your calories, meat, veggies, nuts, seeds, fruit. Keep it very, very, very simple. It's all you've got to do. That's it. That's all you need to do. But the thing is everybody wants to overcomplicate it like crazy. And my goal is to make it as simple as possible. Do something you can do forever. If you have potato chips, if you have a cookie, if you eat cake on your kid's birthday party, it's fine. Just start on the next meal. You didn't fail. You're not a failure. You didn't ruin your diet because you're not doing a diet. You're just eating because you have to. That is the only reason we eat, is to give our body nutrients. Is there different things that people are doing, different programs I would never do? Absolutely. Keto just overcomplicates this weight loss thing way too much. You're tracking macros. You're tracking carbs, fats, proteins. A lot of people aren't taking in enough protein. People are then terrified of carbs. I eat carbs every single day. Do I not eat all the garbage out of a box? Yeah, I'm eating real food. I want my carbs to come from my veggies, from the nuts, from the seeds, from fruit. Body's gonna use the carbs as energy. But instead of doing carbs from a box of Pop-Tarts compared to carbs from veggies, the blood sugars are gonna be different on the blood sugar scale. Your blood sugars aren't gonna skyrocket. You're able to control blood sugars. You're able to control your hormone insulin. And then at the end of the day, what nutrients are you getting out of that boxed food? What are you getting out of cereal? A little bit of vitamins and minerals and some fiber with a ton of carbs and sugars. Instead, you could have just ate broccoli and got great amount of vitamins and minerals and fiber with it without your blood sugars going through the roof and without getting bloated. So at the end of the day, people ask me all the time, like, is it okay if I'm doing this? You can do whatever you want. At the end of the day, what is it that you want? Why do you want to lose body fat? Why do you want to get results? Why do you want to get healthy? That is what it comes down to. What do you want? At the end of the day, no one can tell you what you want. And that's the problem. People ask me all the time, should I cut or should I gain body fat? Should I lose muscle? Should I gain muscle or should I lose body fat right now? I'm kind of fluffy. What is it that you want? I can't tell you what you want. People ask all the time, should I lose weight? I have no idea what you want. There's people into dad bods. There's women into skinny guys. There's guys into big girls. At the end of the day, you're never going to make everybody happy. So stop trying to make everybody else happy. Make yourself happy. Because if you're not happy, the people around you aren't going to be happy. So at the end of the day, it doesn't matter what plan you do. Do something that you're actually going to get healthy. Do something that's going to get you the results that you want. It's the results that you want. It's not the results that other people want. So don't worry about what plan, what program you're doing. If you need help, I will absolutely help you. I do one-on-one calls every single night. I do one-on-one calls for free. If you guys have ever seen any video of anybody bashing me, it's a trainer, a nutritionist, a dietitian every single time. Why? It's because I do what they do, but I do it for free. Of course they're going to be upset about it. Of course you're going to bash somebody who's making them not get money because you're now not giving them money. You're doing what I talk about and I do it for free. I will absolutely help you every single day. Every single night you can give me a call and I'm going to break it down for you guys. I'm going to give you exactly what I do, how I've got people down 100 pounds without working out. Why do I do it for free? What's the catch? Yeah, I own Fullerton Nutrition. Yes, I make custom plans. But nothing you buy will ever make you lose body fat. I will 100% help you for free. I will ask you for nothing. The only thing I ask for is to share this out, let your friends, family, coworkers, let everybody know where they can go to get this weight loss stuff broken down, because your friends and family and coworkers are struggling with weight loss. They don't know what to do. And everybody's last resort is always weight loss surgery. And I beg you, just hit your calories for 1 month with real food. You'll get better results in the 1 month than you ever have in your entire life doing HCG for 6 months. Because we all know that weight comes right back. You got to do something that you can do forever. Hit your calories, eat real food. Weight loss over coffee, ladies and gents.